Welcome to our YouTube video on the incredible benefits of nutmeg. In this video, we'll explore the diverse advantages this humble spice offers, from enhancing your culinary creations to its potential role in promoting health and well-being. Join us on this flavorful journey as we uncover the fascinating ways nutmeg can elevate your cooking and support various aspects of your health. So, whether you're a food enthusiast or health-conscious individual, stay tuned to discover how nutmeg can spice up your life. 1. Culinary flavor. Nutmeg is prized for its culinary versatility, lending a warm, nutty flavor to a wide range of dishes. Its aromatic and slightly sweet notes make it a popular choice for both sweet and savory recipes, including pies, soups, stews, baked goods, and even beverages. Nutmeg's distinct flavor adds depth and warmth to dishes, enhancing their overall taste and aroma. 2. Aromatic spice. Nutmeg is celebrated for its role as an aromatic spice. Its distinctive warm and nutty fragrance is not only pleasing to the senses, but also a key component in making a variety of dishes more enticing. Whether it's sprinkled on top of a creamy latte, incorporated into a flavorful curry, or used in baking, nutmeg's aromatic qualities elevate the overall sensory experience of the cuisine. This aromatic spice contributes depth and complexity to a wide array of culinary creations, making it a sought-after ingredient in kitchens around the world. 3. Nutritional value. Nutmeg offers a modest yet notable nutritional value. It contains essential nutrients, including dietary fiber, manganese, and copper. Dietary fiber supports digestive health, while manganese and copper are important for various bodily functions, such as bone formation, energy metabolism, and antioxidant defense. Although nutmeg is typically used in small quantities in recipes, it can still contribute to your overall nutrient intake, promoting overall well-being when part of a balanced diet. 4. Digestive aid. Nutmeg can serve as a digestive aid due to its ability to promote healthy digestion. When used in culinary preparations, nutmeg may help soothe the digestive system, reduce indigestion, and alleviate bloating. It can enhance the flavor of dishes and stimulate the release of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food. This aromatic spice is a natural and flavorful way to support digestive comfort, making it a valuable addition to a well-balanced diet. However, it should be used in moderation to avoid potential adverse effects. 5. Anti-inflammatory. Nutmeg contains compounds that have demonstrated potential anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds may help reduce inflammation in the body, making nutmeg a valuable spice for those looking to manage inflammation-related conditions. While it should not be considered a primary treatment, incorporating nutmeg into your diet in moderation can complement an anti-inflammatory diet and promote overall wellness. However, excessive consumption should be avoided to prevent adverse effects, as with any spice or herb. Always consult with a healthcare professional for specific health concerns. 6. Antioxidant. Nutmeg contains antioxidants, including phenolic compounds and essential oils, that contribute to its potential health benefits. These antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. By incorporating nutmeg into your diet in reasonable amounts, you can bolster your body's defense against oxidative damage, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. However, it's essential to use nutmeg in moderation, as excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects. Always consult with a healthcare professional for specific health concerns or dietary recommendations. 7. Pain relief. Nutmeg has traditionally been used for its potential pain-relieving properties. It contains compounds like myristicin and eugenol, which have mild analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects. These properties make nutmeg a natural remedy for alleviating minor pains and aches. While it's not a substitute for medical treatment, adding a pinch of nutmeg to your diet or using it topically as an essential oil can provide some relief for conditions like headaches or sore muscles. However, excessive consumption should be avoided, and consulting a healthcare professional for persistent or severe pain is always advisable. 8. Soothes indigestion. Nutmeg is known for its potential to soothe indigestion. Its compounds can help relax the digestive tract and alleviate symptoms like bloating, gas, and discomfort. When added to dishes or beverages, nutmeg can promote smoother digestion by stimulating the release of digestive enzymes and reducing muscle spasms. Its pleasant flavor and digestive benefits have made it a popular choice in traditional remedies for digestive relief. However, it's crucial to use nutmeg in moderation, as excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects. If digestive issues persist, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. 9. Respiratory health. Nutmeg has been used in traditional medicine to support respiratory health. It contains compounds with potential respiratory benefits, including myristicin and eugenol. Inhaling nutmeg oil or consuming it in small quantities may help ease symptoms of respiratory conditions like coughs and congestion. However, its use in this regard should complement, not replace, conventional medical treatments. Always consult a healthcare professional for severe or persistent respiratory issues, and use nutmeg in moderation to avoid potential adverse effects. 10. Sleep aid. Nutmeg has been used as a natural sleep aid for centuries. When consumed in moderation, it may promote better sleep due to compounds like myristicin and eugenol, which have mild sedative effects. Adding a pinch of nutmeg to warm milk or herbal teas before bedtime is a traditional remedy to induce relaxation and improve sleep quality. However, excessive nutmeg consumption should be avoided, as it can lead to adverse effects. If sleep problems persist, consult with a healthcare professional for appropriate guidance and solutions. 11. Mood elevation. Nutmeg is believed to have mild mood-elevating properties. Its aroma and certain compounds, like myristicin, may influence brain chemistry and help alleviate symptoms of stress and anxiety. In some traditional practices, nutmeg has been used to uplift mood and promote a sense of well-being. However, its mood-enhancing effects are generally considered subtle, and excessive consumption can lead to negative side effects. While it may complement overall well-being, it should not replace professional treatment for mood disorders or severe emotional issues. Consult with the healthcare provider for specific concerns. 12. Cognitive health. Nutmeg is associated with potential cognitive health benefits. Compounds like myristicin and mace-lignin found in nutmeg may have neuroprotective properties. While more research is needed, these compounds could support brain health and potentially protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Incorporating nutmeg into your diet in moderation may be a flavorful way to promote cognitive well-being, but it should not replace a balanced and nutritious diet, regular exercise, and other brain-boosting habits. Always consult with a healthcare professional for specific cognitive health concerns or conditions. 13. Blood circulation. Nutmeg is believed to have the potential to improve blood circulation. It contains compounds that may help dilate blood vessels, facilitating the flow of blood throughout the body. Improved circulation can have various health benefits, such as enhanced oxygen and nutrient delivery to cells and tissues. While nutmeg can be a flavorful addition to your diet, its effects on blood circulation are subtle and should not replace healthy lifestyle practices like regular exercise and a balanced diet. Excessive consumption of nutmeg should also be avoided to prevent potential adverse effects. 14. Toothache relief. Nutmeg has a history of being used in traditional medicine to provide relief from toothache. Its compounds, such as eugenol, exhibit mild analgesic and numbing properties. Applying a small amount of nutmeg oil or paste to the affected area may temporarily alleviate toothache discomfort. However, this remedy should not replace professional dental care. It can serve as a short-term solution till you can consult a dentist to address the underlying dental issue. Excessive use of nutmeg should be avoided to prevent potential adverse effects. 15. Antibacterial. Nutmeg exhibits potential antibacterial properties, primarily attributed to compounds like myristicin and mace-lignin. These compounds may help inhibit the growth of certain bacteria, making nutmeg a traditional remedy for addressing minor infections and promoting oral hygiene. However, it should not replace standard antibacterial treatments or good hygiene practices. Nutmeg can be used in moderation as a flavorful addition to your diet to complement overall wellness. Excessive consumption should be avoided to prevent potential adverse effects, and consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable for specific health concerns. 16. Skin health. Nutmeg is sometimes used in skincare products for its potential benefits on skin health. It contains compounds like myristicin and elemicin, which may have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help address skin issues such as acne, scars, and minor skin infections. However, nutmeg should be used cautiously on the skin and in combination with carrier oils, as it can be irritating when applied directly. It is advisable to conduct a patch test and consult with a dermatologist before using nutmeg for skincare, especially if you have sensitive or problematic skin. 17. Hair health. Nutmeg is sometimes used in hair care treatments to promote hair health. It contains compounds that may help improve blood circulation to the scalp, potentially leading to enhanced hair growth. Additionally, nutmeg's antimicrobial properties could contribute to a healthier scalp by addressing issues like dandruff. However, it should be used in combination with carrier oils or as part of hair masks, and a patch test is recommended to check for any adverse reactions. While nutmeg can be a component of natural hair care, it should not replace a comprehensive hair care routine and professional advice for specific hair issues. 18. Reduces flatulence. Nutmeg is known for its ability to reduce flatulence and bloating. Compounds like myristicin and eugenol in nutmeg can help soothe the digestive tract and reduce the formation of gas. Adding a pinch of nutmeg to your meals or consuming it in teas can help alleviate discomfort and promote a more comfortable digestive experience. However, it's essential to use nutmeg in moderation, as excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects. If digestive issues persist, consulting with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment is advisable. 19. Relieves muscle pain. Nutmeg may provide relief from muscle pain due to its potential analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. The compounds in nutmeg, such as myristicin and eugenol, can help reduce inflammation and ease muscle discomfort. Topical application of nutmeg oil, when appropriately diluted with a carrier oil, may offer relief when massaged into sore muscles. However, it should be used cautiously, and a patch test is advisable to check for skin sensitivity. While nutmeg can be a natural complement to muscle pain relief, it's not a substitute for professional medical care for chronic or severe muscle issues. 20. Menstrual pain. Nutmeg is sometimes used to alleviate menstrual pain and cramps. Compounds like myristicin and eugenol in nutmeg have mild analgesic and muscle-relaxing properties, which can help reduce discomfort during the menstrual cycle. Incorporating a small amount of nutmeg in your diet or adding it to warm beverages may offer some relief. However, it should not replace professional medical treatment for severe menstrual issues, and excessive consumption should be avoided due to potential side effects. Consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice on managing menstrual pain and related concerns. 21. Weight management. Nutmeg can be a valuable addition to a weight management plan. While not a direct weight loss tool, it can enhance the flavor of low-calorie, healthy dishes, making them more satisfying and enjoyable. Additionally, the subtle mood-enhancing properties of nutmeg may help curb emotional eating. It's important to use nutmeg in moderation to avoid excessive calorie intake, and it should be part of a comprehensive weight management strategy that includes a balanced diet and regular physical activity for optimal results. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian is recommended for personalized weight management guidance. 22. Antifungal. Nutmeg exhibits potential antifungal properties, primarily attributed to compounds like myristicin and mace lignin. These compounds can inhibit the growth of certain fungal species, making nutmeg a natural remedy for addressing minor fungal infections, such as skin conditions or yeast overgrowth. However, it should not replace standard antifungal treatments or professional medical advice for more serious fungal infections. Nutmeg can be used in moderation as part of a holistic approach to maintaining fungal balance in the body. Always consult with a healthcare professional for specific fungal concerns and treatment recommendations. 23. Cardiovascular health. Nutmeg may contribute to cardiovascular health due to its antioxidant properties. Antioxidants in nutmeg can help protect the heart and blood vessels from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. While nutmeg can be a flavorful addition to a heart-healthy diet, it should not replace essential measures like maintaining a balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding smoking. Incorporating nutmeg in moderation as part of an overall heart-healthy lifestyle can offer some benefits, but it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for specific cardiovascular concerns and guidance. 24. Diabetes management. Nutmeg has shown some potential in diabetes management. Compounds in nutmeg may help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Including nutmeg in your diet in moderation could be a flavorful addition for those with diabetes. However, it should not replace standard diabetes treatments, and dietary adjustments should be made under the guidance of a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to ensure they align with individual needs and goals. Consulting a healthcare provider for personalized diabetes management is essential, especially if you have specific concerns or are taking medications. 25. Anti-cancer potential. Nutmeg contains compounds like myristicin, which have shown potential anti-cancer effects in some studies. These compounds may inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote apoptosis cell death in specific cancer types. However, it's essential to note that nutmeg's anti-cancer properties are still under research, and it should not replace conventional cancer treatments or therapies. Including nutmeg in your diet in moderation can be a flavorful way to potentially support cancer prevention, but it's crucial to consult with healthcare professionals for comprehensive cancer management and individualized guidance. 26. Liver health. Nutmeg may support liver health as it contains compounds like myristicin and mace-lignin that have potential liver protective properties. These compounds may help in detoxifying and safeguarding the liver from damage caused by toxins. While nutmeg can be included in your diet in moderation, it should not replace a healthy lifestyle that includes limited alcohol intake and avoidance of harmful substances. Consulting with a healthcare professional for liver health concerns is crucial, especially if you have underlying liver conditions or specific issues related to liver function. 27. Respiratory health. Nutmeg may support respiratory health due to its potential anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Compounds like myristicin and eugenol in nutmeg can help reduce inflammation in the airways and inhibit the growth of respiratory pathogens. Inhaling nutmeg oil or consuming it in moderation may provide relief from respiratory conditions like coughs and congestion. However, it should complement, not replace, standard respiratory treatments, and consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable for severe or persistent respiratory issues. Use nutmeg with caution, as excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects. 28. Aphrodisiac. Nutmeg has a historical reputation as an aphrodisiac in some cultures. This belief is based on folklore and traditional practices rather than scientific evidence. Nutmeg's aromatic and warm qualities may contribute to a sensual atmosphere, and in some traditions, it is used to enhance romantic experiences. However, the aphrodisiac effects of nutmeg are generally considered mild and subjective. It's essential to remember that individual responses to aphrodisiacs can vary, and a holistic approach to romantic relationships, including communication and emotional connection, is typically more significant than any specific food or spice. 29. Antidepressant. Nutmeg is believed to have mild antidepressant properties, primarily due to its compounds like myristicin. It may influence certain neurotransmitters in the brain, potentially contributing to improved mood and reduced symptoms of mild depression. However, these effects are subtle and not a substitute for professional mental health treatment. Nutmeg should be used in moderation, as excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects. If you're experiencing persistent or severe depression, it's essential to seek guidance and treatment from a mental health professional who can provide appropriate therapies and interventions. 30. Relaxation. Nutmeg is known for its potential to induce relaxation and reduce stress. Compounds like myristicin and nutmeg may have mild sedative effects, promoting a sense of calm and tranquility. A pinch of nutmeg in warm milk or herbal tea before bedtime is a traditional remedy to improve sleep quality and induce relaxation. However, nutmeg should be used in moderation, as excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects. Consulting a healthcare provider or mental health expert is recommended for personalized guidance. Thank you for joining us on this informative journey into the world of nutmeg. We hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the versatility and potential benefits of this amazing spice. Whether you plan to use it in your cooking to elevate flavors or explore its potential health advantages, remember that moderation is key. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content. We'll see you in the next video as we continue to explore the wonders of food and nutrition. Until then, stay curious and keep spicing up your life with nutmeg.